hello. Well, this is slightly different. We're right on the water side. By the MV Island Princess. Nice lads down here. I guess you're wanting that and me thing out the front. And that? Is that it? Yeah. Brilliant, thank you. I'm just going to pull over there for 30 seconds while I sort the paperwork and stuff out, alright? Cheers, thanks a lot, see you next time. Oh, there you go. That was all a bit different. Now for the next bit. And then once I've done this, I just got to write a few things down here. I've got my next job lined up. Just writing it all down here. So that box off. And the next box on, which is a 40-foot high cube. Excellent. Right. Get out of here. Paperwork all signed. We can get out. Driver going, or is he staying there? I don't know. First he's going to go. An indicator bulb back. Joy. So I don't very often come down this end of the docks. Sometimes go into the right from the right and deliver boxes, and it's normally full of like exotic cars that are imported into the country. They're coming from Dubai or America or far-flung places. Saw that boat come in last night, I think. trains on the left there, that's what all the cars come in from, BMW and Mini. They all come in on those. So get over and let this guy come all through. So all the heavy gear goes. Just get a bit of room there. Lights, I can keep going. See, this is all changed in here. This used to be a cargo forwarding place down here. Now it's a completely different yard. Rock backs, you often see those coming down on transporters ready to be exported. Where my light is at. Let's see what's going on. No indicator. Mind you, I'm not sure I've got one at the moment, so I can't shout too loudly. And there's nowhere to stop round here to do anything about it. People going on a cruise, don't step in the road, don't step in the road, do not step in the road. What are you doing? No, 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 one way. One way, mate, I think, innit? It's one way. One way. Jesus. One way and they're trying to get in there. Both laughing at that. Got a truck next to me. Get out of the road. There's a pedestrian crossing back there, and you decide to cross there, you fucking chump. I despair. So this is the real old part of Southampton down here. There's a nice little eatery with its own microbrewery down here, just round the corner, I think. A bit pretentious, you know, like you get your dinner served on a fucking shovel head, you know. It's like, put it on a fucking plate, won't you? I don't want to pint out of a jam jar, just fucking put it in a pint glass. Fucking jam jar. Think I am some fucking hillbilly. Yeah, I don't know why places do that. Care to be different. Well, they serve your starter up in some sort of fucking, you know, when a surgeon does an operation and removes a fucking kidney, he puts it into that. Holy fuck. That bit of kit is fucking working hard. Oh, it's the Dancing Man Brewery. I wonder if they're still doing what they were doing in there. I don't think it was called the Dancing Man last time I was down here. I'm sure it wasn't. The food was alright, like, it was a little bit expensive, but I don't mind paying for better quality. Okay, now. There's rabbits all over the place, like big colourful rabbits. They've done the same with fucking rhinos and elephants, I think, before. Well, I think I might have been able to get in down into the docks that way, but I never know. I'm going up this way anyway. So you've got West Quay on the right. So I'm empty boxed, and I'm about to go onto the docks again today and get a full box. Well, I'll get this one off, get a loaded box, and then I'm heading up north to do a drop and swap at 5 o'clock this evening. That place has been shut for ages now. It's a bit out of the way, that's the trouble. I'm going left here, drive that through. Ooh. It was hot down there on the dock, so I had to get out of the cab in the end. It's the sun was beating in. It was just too warm. How's he going? Those people are well away from the curbs. This is dock gate 10. All these cars on the left, they're all on their holidays, parked up for the cruise. The multi-story, that's all for new cars. He's expecting rain. Another cruise liner up here. This is the Queen Mary 2. She's a baby ship now. and looking a bit tatty in places. All crews parking on the left, and on the right is all the new vans coming in, or going out, I can't remember. Coming in, I think. This was all full of containers a little while back, all the way along here on the left, full to the brim. All the empties seem to have disappeared. Ford Rangers. Even the scrap piles look depleted. Blimey. A lot of scrap there. It's normally right up to the roofs. No scrap boating. Not today. Let's see how busy it is down here. Empty Park 2's dead. Area 3's looking quiet. What we want, nice and quiet. All new on my left. So I'm going to go up to the roundabout, turn around, come back down, then check in, and I'll turn you off at that point. Have a look to see what area 1's like. Empty Park 2's looking okay. They were a bit stacked up this morning when I come in. I managed to get through alright, but they were stacking them up. But that's all died a death now, so that's good. The rush is over. Area 1's looking quiet. Excellent. All is good. So I'll speak to you all later on.